What's up, guys? So today I'm just waiting for my Pizza Hut to arrive with my pizza, and today I'm gonna be eating pizza and doing a little mini Target haul. And this is gonna be kind of a long video, so I suggest that if you don't have the time or don't really feel like watching a long video, that you watch this some other time. So anyways, while I'm waiting for the pizza to arrive, I'm going to just show you guys what I got at Target for the past 2 days. So let's start with the first item. So this is a Coleman Lantern, and it gets an LED light, and I got the idea to purchase this because I had another smaller lantern, and I had decided to get a second one because when we had that power outage, I felt that it would have been nice to have a second lantern. Now let me open this up. By the way, if you guys are interested, this is some of the information on the back. Now, I don't really know too much about lights, but let's just open this up. Oh, look at this. Just open this up a bit. There. So this looks like so. Kind of looks like your old-fashioned camping lantern. Some instructions. It's telling us how to install the batteries. Now this set doesn't include batteries, so let's open this up. Nope, they didn't come with batteries. It says important safety instructions. Do not install the battery backwards. Follow the plus and minus symbols as shown in the instructions. Do not charge or put in a fire. Okay. Now let me show you the second thing I got at Target, which were these D batteries by Energizer. Now let's see, there's 2 batteries. Okay. These batteries got some handy scissors. Whoa. Bear with me. See, got a small kit right here. Okay. I'll grab 2 batteries. Those are some fat batteries. Put this in to plus this way. Okay, now it needs 2 more batteries. Actually, this needs 4 batteries, not 2. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Let's see if it works. Ta-da! It works. Let's put it on high. Whoa, what a light. Let's turn this off to conserve the battery. So now you guys saw the first item I had initially got at Target. Now, let's see what I got next. Ta-da! This is a desktop LED light, and this just gives a cool, fun light, and it's shaped like a flamingo. The light is supposedly pink. Now let's see. Let me open this. I love going to Target. Whenever I go to Target, I can't help it. I just tend to grab everything, and even stuff I don't need. That reminds me, I didn't grab C batteries for my little flashlight. Just open this up. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. Just grab a sip of my icy water. Trying out a new flavor of the icy water. It's coconut pineapple. Never tried that one before. Yikes. Now let's, oh, this one's gonna need a little screwdriver. You find the instructions. This one, it just needs 3 AA batteries.